Episode 20, Oxtail Stew. Hello, and let's get this party started by browning about 3 pounds of oxtail in some oil, while flipping to get every single side browned. And these are some sticky bastards. I had to yank some out. They really stuck. Then remove the oxtail, toss in 2 medium diced onions, and cook for a few minutes. Then add 1 cup of diced celery and 2 cups of carrots, maybe a little more than 2 cups. And add 2 tablespoons of butter, saute till soft. Then add 4 minced cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, and a sprig of rosemary. And cook it for another 3 minutes. Cup and a half of red wine. Followed by 1½ tomatoes diced. And then reassemble the oxtail into the pot. Top with up to 4 cups of beef broth, enough to cover. Cover and cook for up to 4 hours until most of the broth reduces into a rich, thick, chunky, flavor-blasted sauce. Before we plate, we need a bed of mashed potatoes. Boil them, put them through a ricer, add some cream, salt, and pepper. And top our mashed potatoes with our oxtail, some of the sauce. I know this isn't the best looking fellow at the pageant, but the sauce is loaded with flavor, and with all those carrots, you can live in denial and think this is healthy. The very fatty oxtail brings a ton of flavor to the sauce. Even though there's not a lot of meat, the chunks you do get are loaded with flavor and almost worth the hassle. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Why not follow? And I will see you real soon.